Reading for June the 3rd to June the 4th. Pisces. Your cards are the Two of Intelligence, the King of Charisma, and the Ace of Charisma. May sense of urgency si person. Parang gusto niya yatang madaliin itong inyong relationship. Madaliin na patawarin mo siya. Madaliin yung mga bagay na sabihin nating nag-antay din naman daw siya, no? Or parang nagsisisi naman na rin daw siya sa kanyang kasalanan. Bakit mo pa daw siya pinahihirapan or pinatatagal? With the King of Charisma, meron dito mga promise na oo, gagawin ko na yung mga gusto mo. With the Nine of Intelligence and the King of Strength. So parang nandito kasi yung sabihin nating magiging open ako, no? I think kaya kayo nagkaroon dito ng separation is because parang tahimik si person or talagang ayaw niya magsalita or ipaalam kung nasaan siya. But then again, ngayon magiging open daw siya sa mga bagay-bagay at parang with the Ace of Charisma, susubukan niya, no? Na maging, apart from maging open, maging generous din sa kanyang time. So this is your quick reading for June the 3rd to June the 4th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.